Alright, so here, early morning with the pups, with their dad. They destroying things, they cooling, they in the house. You know, just to show y'all, I do let them in the house. We do come inside, we do play around. They don't just stay inside. So they're enjoying themselves for the most part. After I let them kick it, we'll go outside and start our day. So this is all while I'm getting dog food ready and all that. So yeah, hey, look, comment, like, subscribe. We're almost to 1K. I'm giving one of these pups away. Stay tuned.